Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Web Learning Studio. In this video we will learn how to correct our voice or sound to make it better. First of all, we will go through some basic steps to edit our voice. Then we will go through 5 easy steps to make our sound better. I will also show you how you can correct your voice in just couple of seconds by applying only one command. So without any further ado, let's get started. Once you open Adobe Audition, you will see workspace. This is default workspace we have. If you click over here, we have audio to video, radio production, loudness and restoration, etc. We will stick to default workspace for now. You can go to file and reveal in media browser. Here you can browse and open any file. You can just slide in here and from here you can open your hard drive and then any file you want to. You can also access these different menus from here. We have media browser, effects rack, markers, properties, mesh loudness and diagnostics. You can also click here and then select each one of these. On the top we have these options, files and then favorites and amplitude statistic. You can also access these different windows by going to window and then open these windows. Like if you need to open favorite, you click here and then favorites will open here. And if you want to open or close any window, you can also do it from here. Like if you need to close this effects rack, then you can do it from here. Or if you need to open frequency analysis, you can do it from here. You can access different keyboard shortcuts by going to edit and then keyboard shortcuts. Alternatively, you can press Alt plus K to open this dialog box. Here you can see all the keyboard shortcuts we have in Adobe Audition. You can also search keyboard shortcuts from here. Like if you need to search zoom in, you can just type in and here you have different zoom in options. Zoom into timeline, this is the short key, and you can also change any short key from here as well. Next, if you need to change any settings, you can go to edit and then preferences, and here we have different options that we can change from here. Like if you need to change effect setting, then you can change from here, and you can also change audio hardware, appearance, general and so many other options we have here. Once you make any changes, just press OK. Record an audio, simply press over this red icon to record your audio and it will ask for file name. Just put any name you want here, and sample sizes can be changed from here. We will go with 44,100 and you can select channel from here, mono or stereo. If you select mono, then you can hear in one of your ear only once you have headphones or hands-free. We will go with stereo, but bit depth can be selected from here. We will go with 32-bit. Now we can record our voice from here. Hi, in this video we will learn how to correct our voice or sound in 5 easy steps. If you like the video, do thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. After you have recorded your voice, press on this top button. Now we have our voice ready. Here you can see two waves. This one is left ear and this one is right. If we need to delete any portion, we can simply select that area and press delete from our keyboard, and that voice will be deleted. If you need to play your audio, then select the area and press play button or spacebar on your keyboard. Hi, in this video we will learn how to correct our voice or sound in 5. To stop a video, click on this stop button. If you need to pause, then click here. Press this button to rewind your voice. This button is to fast forward your voice. If you click here, you can move playhead to previous, and by clicking here, move playhead to next. You can do same by pressing Alt plus left or right arrow. By pressing loop button, you can play your voice again and again. Let's say if you want to play this portion, then we can press over here and play it. In this video we will learn how to correct our voice or sound. In this video, so you heard our voice was repeating again and again. If we click on it again, our loop will be unselected. Next is skip selection. If we want to skip any part of voice, we can simply select that area and press here. Now when you play voice, this selected area will not be heard. In 5 easy steps. So as you can see, this area was skipped. If you click over here again, then you can deselect skip selection. To zoom in to your voice waves, press here. To zoom out, press here. If you want to zoom into your timeline, you can do it from here. Now you can see our timeline is expanding, and by click here we zoom out our timeline. You can also do it from your mouse by scrolling mouse roller and pressing Ctrl on your keyboard. Next we have is zoom out full. It will zoom out to show everything in your timeline. To select everything in your timeline, simply press Ctrl Control plus A. Next option is zoom in at in point. With this you can zoom in at the in point, and by pressing zoom in at out point you can zoom in at the out point. Next option we have is zoom to selection. It will zoom in full to area you have selected. If you need to jump to any specific time, you can click over here and just type. Let's say if you want to go to 3 seconds, it will take you there. If we wanna jump to 6 seconds, then it will move our playhead to 6 seconds. Last option we have is zoom in to particular time. Like if you want to jump to 2 seconds, 5 seconds or 10 seconds, you can do from here. Let's import an audio file. Right click here and select import, or press Ctrl plus I. To bring imported file to workspace, simply double click on it. When you start recording, always be silent in the beginning for 3 to 5 seconds, because that will help later in capturing background noise. Step 1 is to remove background noise. Now select this area where we were silent. As you can see, there is a lot of background noise over here. Let me show you by playing that area. So to correct that, go to effects in menu, then noise reduction, restoration, and select capture noise print, or press shift plus F, or press shift plus P and hit OK. Now select the whole audio by pressing Ctrl plus A. Go to effects in menu, then noise reduction, restoration, and select noise reduction process, or press Ctrl plus shift plus P. You can also capture noise print from here that we just did. You can move this control curve to your liking. Only do it once you are expert into it. To play the effect, simply press space bar button on your keyboard or click here. If you need to restore this curve, press this reset button. For this effect, we need noise reduction by 50% and reduced by 10 dB. You can change the values from slider or simply enter here. Make sure you have these two values over here and hit apply. Now you can see we had a lot of background noise here, which is gone now, but still we have some little left over. You can click on this icon to show spectral frequency display. You can see this purple color have background noise. Click on this icon again to hide it. Now go to effects again and select noise reduction process and hit apply. This straight line shows background noise has gone now. Let me zoom in so you can see. Step 2 is to compress our voice. Select voice again by pressing Ctrl plus A and go to effects in menu, then amplitude and compression. Here click on single band compressor. Here we need to have a threshold of -22 dB, ratio 4, attack 10 ms, release 100 ms, and output gain of 0 dB. You can also save these settings as preset by clicking here. Give it a name. If you want to delete any preset, press this delete button. To save current settings as favorite, click on the star button. With this loop button, you can loop any specific area. After you are satisfied with settings, hit apply. Now you can see the result. This is before applying the effect. In this video, we will learn how to correct our voice or sound, and this one after applying the compression effect. In this video, we will learn how anytime you can press Ctrl plus Z to undo changes or to redo. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Z. Step 3 is to apply adaptive noise reduction. Go to effects in menu, then noise reduction, restoration, and select adaptive noise reduction. Here we have these settings: reduce noise by 20 dB, noisiness 30%, fine tune noise floor 2 dB, single threshold 2.5 dB, spectral decay rate 140 ms per 60 dB, and broadband preservation 100 Hz. Hit apply after you have entered these values. Let me loop it. In this video, we will learn how to correct our voice or sound. And this one is after applying effects. Step 4 is to equalize. Go to effects in menu, then filter and EQ. Select parametric equalizer. Activate these three in the middle and lower it a little. You can play the result now. In this video, we will learn how to correct our voice or sound in 5 easy steps. So if you do like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share with your. If you need to make it louder, you can do it from here. Just make sure you don't make it too down, as your voice will go down as well. So just keep it here almost like a V shape. After making these changes, hit apply. This is after applying equalizer. Last and final step is to normalize. Go to effects in menu, then amplitude and compression. Click on normalize process. You may enter 98, 95 or 93.60 frequency here. I will go with 95 and click on this percentage icon. Finally hit apply. Here is the result we have. In this video we will learn how to correct our voice or sound in 5 easy steps. So if you do like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. As you heard, we made lot of improvements with voice. To make it even better, you can apply the third step again, which is adaptive noise reduction. Our voice is now ready. Now here is comparison. This is before we edit. In this video we will learn how to correct our voice or sound in 5 easy steps. If you like the video, do thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. And this one is after we edit. In this video we will learn how to correct our voice or sound in 5 easy steps. If you like the video, do thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Go to file and save as. Give it a file name and location where you want to save it and hit OK. I will now undo all changes I made by pressing Ctrl+Z to show you a quick technique by which you can apply all of these 5 steps in a single click. Go to favorites, click on start recording favorite and press OK. Everything you do now will be recorded. We will repeat these 5 steps quickly. First is noise reduction. As you can see, Adobe Audition remembers our last settings. Second step, to compress the voice. Third step, adaptive noise reduction. Fourth step, to equalize voice. The last step, to normalize it. Go to favorites and click on stop recording. Give it a name and press OK. Let me undo all changes now to show you how to apply this favorite. Now go to favorites again and select favorite you just saved. While all of your effects are applied with this one click, next time if you need to edit sound, you can simply apply this favorite. Let me show you few more techniques you can apply. Go to favorites, click on hard limit to -0.1 dB. It will set a high limit that your voice can go. If you don't like any effect, simply press Ctrl+Z to undo. As you can see, our levels were hitting these red levels which we want to avoid. Let me undo that now and you can see our voice was touching mostly yellow levels. If you want to give a fade in or fade out effect, it's under favorite. Fade in is used at the start of sound and fade out is used at this end of sound. Let me show you another amazing technique. Under effects we have diagnostics and delete silence. Click on the scan button. It will scan all the clip to capture area where there is silence or no voice. If you click here, it will highlight that area. If you wanna delete any of that, just click and delete it. You may wanna delete all at once with delete all button. That's how you can delete any silent area on your voiceover. If you want to make any particular area of your voice quiet, you can select that portion and go to effects, click on silence. It will make that selected area silent. You can also apply effects from here by going to effects rack. Let's say we want to apply this parametric equalizer. Here you can change these settings and then close this window. You may toggle this effect to on or off. To apply any settings, hit on apply. You can apply multiple effects from this effect rack. In the end, I will show you an amazing technique by which you can match loudness. So just click here and import 2 files that you want to match. So I will have these 2 files here that I want to match and then click on open. So these are the 2 files we have that we would like to match loudness. The first one is this one. As you can see, the waves are quite high on this one, and on this one we have different waves. Some of them are low and some are high. So we want to match these 2 clips. In order to match their loudness, you just have to drag them over here. If you don't have this match loudness active, you can do it. Select it from here and drag the other one. Now select these 2 files and hit on this run button. It will analyze it and try to match those 2 files loudness. Once it's done, you can see the stage here. It says done and this one is being analyzed. So now we have both of these files matched loudness. Now let me select this one and you can see all of the waves are now at equal level, and let me show you the other file as well. So this is the second file we have, and as you can see we have both whole waves at the same level. You can view selection time here. Above line shows selected area, start and end time and its duration. Bottom line shows the whole clip start time and end time and its duration. That's it for this video. I hope you have learned something beneficial from it. If so, please do subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. See you in another video. Thank you.